There's Trixie May's 3 boys. She has 2 black and white boys and 1 chocolate and white boy. And here comes Willow. Hey Willow. You see the babies? You see the babies, Willow? So the little chocolate boy has just a tad bit of white on his face, and he's got a little white beard. Let's see. Got 4 white socks. White on his rear. Got a little white spot with a little white leg. Brown tail with a white tip. Yes. I see your tongue hanging out. I see your tongue hanging out. So I'm a little fat boy. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Here's one of the black and white boys. I know y'all just ate and your bellies are full. Yeah. So I got a white face and a white blaze. 2 white socks on the front. 2 white socks on the back. White tip tail. A little bit of a white collar. Yes, I'm cute. I see your tongue hanging out. Silly. You want to go to sleep, aren't you? Y'all trying to go to sleep on me? Huh? Y'all just had a nap? I mean, y'all just got your bellies full and now you want a nap? Here's the other little black and white boy. He's smaller. 2 white socks on the front. White chest, white beard. 2 white socks on the back. White tip tail. Come here, you little escapee. Y'all just ready for a nap, aren't you? Huh? So there's 3 boys. There's Trixie May's 3 boys. Got a solid black face, pretty much, and got a white beard. Got the white blaze, black and white, and then we got the chocolate. Yes. Where's the babies at? Y'all got your bellies full? You got a full belly? It's nap time, isn't it? Everybody's gonna take a nap. Yes. You clean each other's faces, huh? You gonna get all the food off? You gonna get all the food off? Yeah. It's too much cuteness, huh? Okay. If y'all gonna nap, I won't bother you. So 2 black and whites and a chocolate for Trixie May. They'll be ready to go home March 5th. Little dirty faces, little dirty faces. Oh, about dropped it, didn't I?